Servus.
Overnight 12660
Eurowings 276, continue present heading to intercept and follow the localizer for the ILS straight in 15.
On the present heading, intercept localizer straight in ILS 15, Eurowings 276.
Okay, speed, lock blue, and heading.
Yes. So you cleared down for flight level 100, but it's transition level 110.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes. And my the ILS is identified here. Oscar Echo Sierra 109.9. Alstar. Shall we ask for further descent? What do you think? Or shall we wait until he gives the clearance by itself, by himself?
I think for the moment it's fine, but I can ask if
we can also slow down a little.
Yeah.
We can do that. I slow down. What's about that?
Eurowings 276, when ready, descend 5000, QNH 1016.
Descend 5000, when ready, QNH 1016, Eurowings 276.
Okay, thrust idle, open descent, alt blue, and 5000 altimeters.
1016, 9,900 feet.
1016, 9,900 feet, and this is still above the MSA right now.
Yes.
It's 4,000.
Until passing Salzburg, but since we are then established on a localizer.
Yes, sir.
Eurowings 276, descend 4000, cleared, ILS 15.
24,000 feet cleared, ILS runway 15, Eurowings 276.
4,000 blue, glide slope now blue, catch redual, AP 1 and 2. Yeah, no VFR traffic here, huh?
Apparently not.
Not yet. That we keep our eyes open, huh?
Yeah. Which is strange for this.
Yeah, I slow down a little bit just to make sure that we...
Sure. Nothing on TCAS either.
No.
Airlock alive?
Yeah. Checked.
Waiting for that.
Yeah. Logstar.
Salzburg, guten Tag, Xavier, 7 Echo,
Speed is managed.
level 100, left by Bibach.
Transavia 7 Echo, Servus, radar contact, expect the LS 3 in runway 15, wind 30 degrees, 9 knots.
Yeah, runway 15, 7 Echo.
Eurowings 276, contact Salzburg Tower, 1181, Servus.
1181, Servus, Eurowings 276. Salzburg Tower, Servus, Eurowings 276, established ILS 15.
Eurowings 276, grüß euch, wind 40 degrees, 9 knots.
Yeah, that's from the left.
Yep.
That's okay. It's good that the wind doesn't push us to the mountain in case of go around.
The other side would be...
That's bad.
Yeah, bad. And from behind is also
Yeah.
bad. So
It's okay. Vertical speed.
better than expected.
Yes, sir.
Runway is straight edge.
Inside.
It looks more beautiful than the simulator.
Yeah, even headwind here, 140 with 8. So Glasgow is alive, that's good.
500 feet to go.
No. That's one.
Reject. That's one.
Alps 2.
Speed checked. Alps 2.
Alpstar, but this will change in just a moment. Glide slope star, go around altitude 6000 set. The wind is turning to the final direction. Autopilot off.
2500.
Checked. Tack, switch off. Autos last go.
Christoph on 4, Servus again.
Ja, von der Oster meeting, actual 1.6, go to level back to Traunstein.
Von 4, clears to cross direct Traunstein.
Get on.
Get out.
Eurowings 276, wind 030 degrees, 8 knots, runway 15, cleared to land.
Runway 15, clear to land, Eurowings 276.
Laps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Laps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
Remember, landing no blue.
Landing no blue and ELS check please.
117 to 150. So you're on black.
Okay.
Can reduce if you want to, but...
No. That's what we don't do. No. So we clear to land. Now there's an airplane, our altitude, but a little bit away. Positioned on the left.
Could be also the helicopter you
Yeah.
talked about. It's probably the helicopter.
Yeah.
1000.
Checked.
Checked.
Christoph 14, you may leave. Servus.
Christoph 14, auf der Lee. Servus. Schönen Tag euch noch. Ciao.
Hundred above, 400.
Let.
300. Minimum,
Continue.
200.
Little bit of behind, little
Yep.
bit from the left.
Check.
12 knots.
100. 50. 40. 30.
That's our
20.
Eurowings
Retard.
4344. Now we are ready for start of
Voila. Reverse green. He said.
Eurowings 4344, call in a minute. There's opposite landing traffic first.
Thank you.
Manual wings.
70 knots.
Check. Maybe we can take this one. Maybe you can ask. Can we turn right here?
Eurowings 276, may we take Delta?
Finde ich super. Delta Lima, exit number 4.
Delta Lima exit for Eurowings 276.
Christophorus 14, the wind 030 degrees, 8 knots, land on discretion UKH.
Okay, this is now to the left on Lima, and Delta is the next to the right then.
Correct.
Eurowings 4344, startup is approved, Canadian 1016.
Start with approach coordinates 1016, Eurowings 4344.
Lima exit 4. Perfect. Yes, follow.
For her, this was great for the tower. She needed some room here. That's what she said to another airplane before. We need to wait. There's some opposite landing, and now.
Oscar Charlie Tango, Airborne 34, proof to the frequency.
Leaving in frequency, bis später. Oscar Charlie Tango.
Bye.
So now we have footage from inside and outside.
Yeah, sure. So here we are. Very nice.
Christophorus 14, you may leave.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Is available.
Yeah, then we continue with both engines, huh?
Yeah,
We're just
sure.
almost
And
here.
the 3 minutes aren't even up. They're up now, but
Yeah.
for the last 2
Hello,
minutes.
Eurowings 7 Whiskey.
So lights are off.
Start and cleared.
Eurowings 7 Whiskey, startup is approved, Canadian 1016, and you're cleared to Hamburg in Roman Alpha departure, altitude 6,000 feet, squawk 4553.
Eurowings 7 Whiskey, start approved, QNH 1016, cleared to Hamburg, in Rom 1 Alpha, climbing 6,000 flat and road, squawk 4553.
Correct.
Brake is on.
Lead is on.
Engine 1 is off. Engine 2 is off.
Parking checklist. Parking engine off. Radar PWS
Off.
Fuel pumps
Off.
Parking brake.
On for the time being.
Parking completed.
How did you like the approach?
Beautiful views.
Yeah.
I think it wasn't that hazy, but
A little hazy.
a little hazy. Could be better, but was close to perfect. And
Yeah.
I really liked the approach.
Speed was okay.
Speed was okay.
Little tailwind at the end, about
Yeah,
8 knots or so. Huh?
The wind shifted at the end.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
quite challenging, but
Started
Good
with headwind, and then at the end we had about 8
it was
knots
the
tail.
last 200 feet maybe.
Yeah.
Well, the part that was quite challenging.
Yeah.
The rest was.
But it was okay. Huh?
Yeah, it was okay,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay. Hey, thanks for the great teamwork. Appreciate
You're welcome.
it. Thank you. Yeah, and you all have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the flight and the video.
Hello
Thank you.
again.
Okay.